Today I'm going to show you a very unique item. You might be used to ground beef, probably one of the #1 items purchased in America. I would highly suggest someone try ground pork. This is Salmon Creek Farms ground pork that we're going to cook today. I'm going to make a dish. I think it's exceptional. We have it at our house literally once a week almost. This is a Thai Basil Ground Pork. We're going to serve it in lettuce boats, and it's absolutely delicious. So first off, take the ground pork, put it in the pan. We're going to sear it all off and cook it. We're going to take it away from the pan, add our other vegetables, our onion and jalapeno, add the pork back to it, add our sauce, which is a kind of enriched teriyaki sauce, and add our basil and cilantro at the very, very end. We make it at our house with sticky rice. You can do it with white rice. You can put it with any other rice. It goes super well. The lettuce boats, I think, work the best.